Hello everyone, Vaughn Marie, and thank you for joining me today on the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. So we're going to use this fun holiday turkey dinner craft dies. I'm making a Christmas card, and I'm not using that glitter paper today, but I will be using some other pattern paper. So let's get these dies out and get started. I'm going to cut them out of white cardstock, and I'm going to use my small die cutting machine for most of these pieces. Actually, I think they all do fit with my small cutting machine, so that's fun. And I think it's so cute, the platter there and the turkey legs. And just very clever. I've never had a turkey set before. So I'm just going to die cut them out with white cardstock, and I'm going to be ink blending them, all the pieces here. And I think those are little potatoes, but I ended up making them like my turkey. They matched my turkey, so you can do whichever. I was just thought they looked really good next to my turkey. Maybe they are the color of my turkey, those potatoes. So whatever you want them to be, potatoes or pieces of turkey. So I did use some wild honey distress oxide and some vintage photo for oxide for my turkey and turkey legs. And I just left the ends there, the bones, white. And I'm just wiping off my mat here, and I'm going to put my turkey together. And the platter, I could have left it white because I do have a white platter at home now, but I'm going to be Copic coloring that platter in like a red color. And I'll leave down below what Copics and distress inks I used, just in case you're curious, because I think that's a great ink color for a turkey, if I do say so myself. And I'm just trying to tuck in the legs there and trying to make it more realistic. You can use some foam tape to pop up some pieces. That would be fun too. And you can also just put like the legs on the platter. That would be cute too. So some people like turkey on Thanksgiving, some at Christmas, some both. I just chose to do a Christmas card here because I liked the holly and leaves in this die set, so that's why. And I just thought it would be cute for a Christmas card. So here is where I'm going to Copic color that platter. And just really simply one color, and I believe I just used R05, I think. That's what I have written down. So I'm just going to be coloring that in. And then I will glue my turkey and extras. And then I will be adding some holly and leaves that I will be coloring as well with that same red color for the berries, and then I will use some green for the leaves. You can also make some cute tags. That would be amazing. Or table setting, like you can put it on the like some table setting cards. That would be cute. So that's where I started Copic coloring those leaves there, just on some scratch piece of paper, and then trying just to get the ends so you don't see any white. And I think that was the hardest part, trying to see where I wanted them to be I was just trying to make my table a little, I mean like my platter a little festive. And almost done, just just coloring those berries. And those were a little small, so luckily I had my tweezers there and I could kind of color them and glue them to my leaves. And I do end up using some Christmas foliage and flower sequins mix. There is some berries and leaves in there. I only ended up using one berry because I was looking for one that I had colored and I believe I lost it. So I'm glad and thankful for that sequins mix because I was just able to add a berry from there. And it kind of looks a little shiny. So that is the pattern paper I'm using, and it is from the Falling Leaves 6x6 paper pad, and then I'm using some, I'm using that bow there from the Stitched Wonky frame dies. I'm also using the label frame die that I cut out with that pattern paper. And I thought it looked really fun with all these patterns here. And my sentiment is from the Reindeer Games stamp set. It says Merry Christmas, and I'm going to pop up my turkey with some foam tape. And then that's where I have my embellishments right there. So I have the Christmas foliage and flower sequins, and then I do have the autumn sequins remixed, which I love and I use often for my fall cards. And I think this card came together really quick and it was so easy and fun to ink blend that turkey. And I hope you love the new release. There's so many amazing dies and stamps. I do love the sunflower die set, so check out everything. It's wonderful, and there's so many new things added to the Cat Scrappiness store. And we do have hops going on, so make sure and hop for a chance to win a gift card. And I am going to pop up my sentiment as well, and then I will add my embellishments and my bow. And you get 3 sizes of those bows, and this I believe is the largest one. So I think it makes a cute Christmas card. And so here's where I put that berry from that set. So that's where it'll be shiny. And then I will just add a few sequins from that autumn sequins remixed, and I thought about putting some leaves there, but I just went with this autumn sequins remixed. And that finishes my card. I'm just going to add my embellishments and then show you a close-up. And so I appreciate you joining me today, and I hope you grab this turkey set. It's really fun. And I hope you enjoyed my video today. So here's a close-up. Thank you.